Hello, welcome to the Green Club Shed, and today we're going to be making a park bench, a seat, a garden seat, and it doesn't take many lollipop sticks. They're the jumbo ones. These are the 6-inch ones, or the 15 centimetres, but there's a diagram of what you'll need. So I'll put that over there, and then I'm going to start with the base of the seat. So I take a 7.5 centimetres with the 3 15 centimetre ones, and then I'm using glue guns, so remember it can get very hot. So you want to try and get them as much of a good line as you possibly can. So make sure they're firm. So make sure you've got the ends nice and clear. Doesn't matter if you've got a little bit of a gap, because most park benches have got a little bit of a gap. So let's glue the edges on. I like to use glue gun because it's instant, but you can use any glue really. So just hold it in place while it sticks, and it should be quite instant, see? And then do the same with the other side. Being warm weather and everything else, I thought it was good for the dollies to get out, so I thought if I start making park benches and outdoor things, I think it'd be quite good. So there's your base seat, as you can see. And then I've got these two that I'm going to be using, and now I'm going to go up to I've marked 7.5 centimetres on the line, so I know exactly where I want to stick them to, so I don't get lost on it. So as you can see, there's one. That's it. Try and get them level. Two, and then we've got our back, see? Just wait for them to dry. Then I'll glue the bottom ones. And then I'm going to go under the chair for these. It's pretty simple, this chair is. This bench to make. It's not very hard. And there we go. And then we've got our bench. Go like that. If you've got a little bit more time, you can take your effort and make it a little bit more. You can see this one's a little bit more out of level, but it's not too bad. There you go. If I grab a doll. See? Paint it all up and it looked good. Anyway, I hope you like it. Hope you subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.